What is up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have, surprise, surprise, another 2024 GMC Ultimate Denali. This is a 3500 HD with the Duramax, and it's a dually. Cognito is one of our favorite lifts among the GM heavy-duty trucks. This is the 4-inch performance kit. It comes with the 2.0 shocks. They are remote reservoir, and this truck rides like an absolute dream. The wheels are the DDC Aftermath. They are a 22. This is the standard front. They do have some options. They'll come with a super single. This is the black and milled colorway, and we went with the standard lug caps. They do have some spiked options for it. Now, these DDC wheels are designed to make the truck look like they are a 10 lug, but you don't need any spacers, any adapters, or anything like that. They just bolt straight up to the truck. The center caps are also aluminum, which is awesome. Definitely brings up the quality on these wheels. We wrapped those in a 37-12-50 R22. These are the Kenda cleavers. They are definitely one of our favorites. And then to get a little bit of load support out back, these are the Load Lifter 5000 Ultimate Series from Airlift. And we paired that with the Wireless One 2nd generation compressor system. You can control this from your phone or from a remote. Now, most of our customers will opt to pair that to a phone because if they are towing boats or towing campers or anything like that, chances are that remote is getting left on a bumper and it's bound to fall off as soon as you drive off. So it's good to have a little bit of redundancy. You also get a lot of control with that phone app that you wouldn't otherwise have. All right, guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're gonna see you in the next video.